From here we just have our nut. And you just want to hand tighten this while holding the Performax. And what that does is seal the rubber gasket against the bottom of the tank. Here's a bonus tip. This is my old water supply line, and I noticed that it's kind of corroding on the inside. This rubber gasket is corroding. I highly recommend replacing your water supply line with a new one at this point too. Probably the best money you'll spend, because this is also a leak point for any toilet. Again, this just attaches by hand. Keep turning it till you make a tight seal. And then the same deal down here, you just want to hand tighten it and make sure that you don't cross thread it. Then I'll use my Knipex pliers wrench here to tighten that another 1/4 to 1/2 turn. You don't want to over tighten this, because what that does is flatten the rubber gasket and could potentially create a leak. And then I'd recommend turning this on slowly. And you can check for any leaks here at the shutoff valve as well as above at the fill valve connection. At this point, it's important to check that the water is about 1/2 inch from the top of this overflow pipe. And you can adjust that with this little knob here. So if you turn it counterclockwise, you're going to add less water to the tank. And if you turn it clockwise, like I'm doing here, it's going to fill up the tank a little bit more so that you can get the water closer to the top of the overflow pipe. The Performax is very easy to install, and you can also adjust the water level in the bowl with this little knob here. And I have a different video that shows you how to do that. I'll link to it here so that you can check that out.